Tencent, a global technology giant, is at the forefront of artificial intelligence development. Their AI innovations are being integrated into iOS, bringing smarter, more intuitive experiences to millions of iPhone users. This isn't just about adding features, it's about transforming how we use our devices. Tencent AI on iOS brings a suite of powerful capabilities. Imagine translating conversations instantly, recognizing objects in photos with incredible accuracy, or receiving personalized content tailored to your interests. These features are making our iPhones smarter and more efficient. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or connecting with friends, Tencent AI is enhancing your experience. It's about making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Language is a fundamental part of communication, and Tencent's AI is revolutionizing how we interact with our iPhones. From accurate voice recognition to intelligent chatbots, these tools are breaking down language barriers and making communication more seamless. Tencent's visual AI is transforming how we see the world. Imagine your iPhone instantly recognizing objects, understanding complex scenes, and even overlaying digital information onto your reality. The possibilities are endless. Tencent AI learns your preferences, delivering personalized content that matters to you. This means you'll spend less time searching and more time enjoying the things you love. With great power comes great responsibility. Tencent is committed to protecting your privacy and ensuring the security of your data. They employ robust measures to safeguard your information. The future of Tencent AI iOS is bright. We can expect even more innovative features that will transform our iPhone experiences in ways we can only imagine. Tencent is focusing on making its AI technology accessible to everyone. This includes features that assist users with disabilities and making sure that the technology can be used by the widest possible audience. Tencent AI iOS is revolutionizing the way we use our iPhones. Stay tuned for more updates and explore the incredible possibilities of this technology. Thank you for watching.